what?
Uncomfortable silences. Why do we feel it's necessary to yak about bullshit in order to be comfortable?
I don't know. That's a good question.
That's when you know you found somebody really special. And you can just shut the fuck up for a minute, comfortably share silence.
Well, I don't think we're quite there yet, but don't feel bad. We just met each other.
Here we go, everybody. Guerracast episode number 19. Guerracast is our family podcast where myself, Matt Guerra, and any one of my siblings, in this case it happens to be my brother Nick Guerra, and the topics range far and wide. This one happens to be about the wonderful, beautiful sounds of silence. Small talk. Oh, it's such a waste of time. How it muddies up the water for passionate people with real things to say. And just because I don't want to talk to you about the weather or about your football team, it's nothing personal and it doesn't make me an asshole. I just prefer to save that space for something more meaningful to me and more, I don't know. If you're passionate about football, then yeah, I'll definitely listen to it and I'm down, because passion in itself is very contagious and I could talk to anybody about anything that they're passionate about and that I'm passionate about. But there's no need to just talk for the sake of talking because we feel like we have to. Everybody's been in that situation, that uncomfortable, awkward silence, at a job or wherever you are. You see someone, you feel like you just have to say something because it's quiet. So inevitably the weather comes up or fucking current events come up. All shit that you would never really otherwise care about or talk about. And I think the bigger picture is really, you don't have to be friends with everyone. You don't have to have all this common ground. You should be friends with people that are good for you. You should be in relationships with people, whatever the relationship, it should be complimentary for both people. You should be around people that are good for your health. And above all else,
bitch, sit down. Be humble. Sit down. Be humble. Sit down. Be humble. Sit down. Be humble.
That's all I got for right now. All right, much love, everybody. Peace.
This is my last drink. What time is it? Oh shit, this is 3 p.m.? Fuck, I gotta do more drinks after this.
What time is it now?
Guerracast. Come on in!
Sit down and shut up.
My country, they go crazy in my Guerracast.
Victory for the people, motherfucker.
Talent had little to do with it.
I like working with drivers.
That's what we're doing. If you have a hot sister, nobody can hold you back unless you allow them to hold you back. I've been getting drunk since 14.
You're really being narrow-minded right now.
My goal is the opposite.
I'm totally worried right now.
And sometimes you really just wait, and I think that there's a mix of that. But the problem I have with just the whole small talk thing is it's like, I think that there's so many different ways to communicate that we don't appreciate as a society, because in order for them to work, you have to shut the fuck up, and people are not comfortable with just shutting the fuck up. You can communicate so much without even saying a word.